The section will follow the development of the logo for a fashion company called Bellows Apparel. We will walk through all the detail including brainstorming and concept development stage and finalizing logo and creating vector assets. The first stage on the logo development process is reading or getting right information from the client or from client brief. Sometimes some clients supply with the client brief, which feel detailed and outline their target audience, mission statement, overall desire look and their feeling, and based on research and data. Let's be practical, not all clients supply a nicely put together client brief, some clients are smaller in scale, and they will come to you for guidance. That's why this is first in the process. I have put together an awesome downloadable resource for you guys called Logo Design Client Questionnaire. Feel free to send it to your client after you customize with your name and your logo as a provider. To able to capture the right question and his answer that you will need to start brainstorming process. Also feel free to modify the question as you wish. Some of dish questions are vital to ask the client who does not seems to know where to start. This type of questions are direct and intended to give you a starting point for the design process. Without knowing what we need to know about the company, creating a logo will lose its all function as a logo, it will be just an icon without having any foundational values of company's goals. Let's discuss some of the questions. How did you find out about us? This is a great question to ask for two main reasons. It could highlight a marketing channel you'd never considered before. And second, if they give you someone's name, you can surprise that person with a special reward or treat. Referrals are an asset. Do you have current brand guidelines? This question gives you an idea of where the client is at right now, so you can gauge how much work is required. It's also an upsell opportunity if they want help with their overall brand redevelopment or their other brand collateral. We have a multi-choice answer with the following. Yes, they're attached available here. Nope, but I will be putting them together. Nope, and I need help with them. What are your products and services? This is an obvious question but an essential one. Don't assume you know what the business does. Don't assume the client can articulate it well either. Sometimes a little more clarity and guidance is needed before you can design a logo to represent the brand well. Who are your ideal customers? This question is to gain an understanding of the audience. If they don't know, this may also be an opportunity to upsell developing this. Knowing the customer profile is critical to logo design. What emotions meanings do you want your logo to convey? A food brand may go for freshness, zest and colors. A tool hardware store may go for strength and reliability. Who are your top 3 competitors and how do you differ from them? Understanding the competition and how they brand themselves is vital to creating a unique logo that stands out from the crowd. List 3 logos you like, preferably in different industries, and include dot points what you do and don't like for each. It's important to find out what their preferences are. So many times they say they like a logo, but it turns out they only like the colors and hate the rest. If you based your logo design on that, you're in trouble. It's better to find that out early. Do you have an idea for your new logo? Some clients have quite fixed ideas on what they want before they come to you. It's good to get clear on this at the outset. Sometimes the idea they have won't align with their vision for the brand, and you may need to have further conversations about it. Do you have color and font preferences for your logo? Most people have pretty strong color preferences. Knowing this will save you time and headaches while you're developing ideas. What is your budget? This is the ultimate filter. We use a drop-down list where the smallest amount. You'd set the bottom level as the budget you don't want to work with and may simply refer them to someone else. What is your time frame? This question will weed out potential clients that want everything yesterday. Including this question helps you prioritize your work schedule or decide whether or not you have the capacity to take on the job. As your logo design questionnaire is ready to send, let's jump off to the next class so we can get the client's response regarding the questionnaire. Meet you at the next class. Until then, keep creating and don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you won't miss out any new video.